Good day viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about two projects. So these two projects are both on Telegram, and of course they are both games. One is similar to Hamster Combat, while one it's a game and there are some tasks to complete. So how we can participate in both of these projects is going to be shown in this video, so make sure to follow along. Let's talk about GEMZ. It's fairly new. It has 4 million founders, which are the players. They've reached 4 million founders, 4 million users. The current stats are 1 million members on the community channel, 1 million subscribers in the announcement channel, over 350,000 subscribers on their YouTube, even when of course there are no videos on the YouTube channel yet, but the airdrop is ongoing and it is fairly new. So how do we start? The link is going to be in the description box for all the links required in this video, so make sure to make use of them, and also join the Telegram and WhatsApp channel links so you stay informed over there. This is how it looks once you open it, and normally you're just logged into the League of GEMZ community, which has 1.2 trillion tokens that's added together. So I don't see any need to go out, but this, what you can see is the logo of the coin right there where you want to tap, and if you tap it, of course what you have below the 986 over 1000 is your energy that of course is dispensed once you click on the coin on your screen. So we have boosts, which as normal, multi-tap, energy limit, recharge speed, and then tap bots once you have reached 20,000. Make sure to make good use of it. And you also have a rocket 3 over 3 and full energy available. With the full energy, refuels your energy at whatever point it is to the max. So I do not think that there is a limit because it's only one time. It's only one time every day because it's a free daily boost. The rocket is also 3 out of 3. So if you upgrade the multi-tap, you increase the amount of coin your tap gives you. So now it's 2, so you can increase it to 3. It's +1 every time you upgrade. The energy limit increases from 1000 to beyond. That is what it's used for. Then the recharge speed is the speed at which, of course, once you are done expending your energy, it refills. Hope that is alright. The rocket just increases the amount of coins you can get per taps at a high rate. Okay, so into the main stuff. I told you it's like Hamster Combat because the interface doesn't look exactly the same, but once you go to mine, you're going to understand why. But first, friends. So if you go to friends, you can see invite friend, and what you need to do, you can see the person who invited you at the bottom. That is, if you do not have any friends, you can copy and then send to invite. Now 2,500 for you and your friend if it's a normal user, while 50,000 for you and your friend if it is a Telegram premium user. So hopefully you get lucky with that. Then let's go to earn. So earn is where we can complete some tasks. So you can see invite friends for the bonuses, and then we have the daily tasks, which it came when I opened the app for the first time, but sorry I couldn't show you. So you can also have the invite bonus, which we already talked about before, and the special. So I'm not going to be completing it on this video, but we already know how to follow all the X and etc. by following the announcement channels too. Then we go to mine, which is of course the main part that resembles the Hamster Combat game, in which there's a daily combo and there's also things to invest in. Only difference being that there are more better deals, in case that is in earning 1 per hour. You can see a lot of them are earning 1 point something K per hour, and the prices are relatively low. If you were to compare that with Hamster Combat in terms of the price, of course it differs. Maybe as it upgrades it becomes even more expensive, which should be the case. So for the daily combo, it's going to be on the channel. I'm going to be giving it to you every day, so make sure to check it and make good use of it. It refreshes at 12 AM UTC daily. Once you complete this task, you should have something like 45,000. So I'm only doing this to show you how you can invest. I'm just going to choose one of these deals. So how about I go to the specials, since they seem to be the best deals. And if you want to check the cards or the cards that are available, you click on available, and then once you click that, you can see the ones that you can actually invest in, and none of them I can. But if I send the free gift, I can get 5,000. So let me send the free gift Well, after signing the free gift, I didn't see any change, but I'm still trying to look for a good deal that we have here. So if we go to get, you can see the 29k. So if you click on get, that's how you do it. Okay, so once you open, you can see the coins. I was able to earn around 64,000. That's what they showed me, but of course I used it for the quest I just showed you. Then this is how you participate in this. I hope this has been very explanatory. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notification bell so you don't miss new videos when they come out on the channel. Let's go to the second and the last Telegram airdrop for this video. The name is NOTAI, 556k followers, joined October 2023, so they are in no way quite new. So the first AI-based super app built on Telegram. So they're into AI. So their motto should probably be maybe AI, maybe not. But the airdrop has started, and we are going to be doing their mini app on Telegram, and it's a game. So they have a functional working game, and even though there have been some bugs, it has been resolved. So how do we start? Because you know where to get the link. So once you click the link, it will take you to where you can put your nickname, and I'm good with this, so click on finish. Once you click on finish, you can see a very good interface in front of you. So I'm just going to complete all these tasks later. I'm not going to complete the tasks in this video. We're just going to be talking about the context of the game, how it works, how we can earn more. So stay tuned for that. So first of all, let's start by going to the lab zone. So basically what you can see in the lab are the different types of units that you have in the game, namely the warrior, the engineer, and the head hunter. And each of them have their own skills which you need to upgrade to help your warrior become even better. So make sure to make use of that because it requires some of your tokens. But if you want to become better and earn more, you need to make the sacrifice. Then for the connect wallet, you can hold on for it for now because it's just a new app. So you don't need to, of course, you don't need to connect the wallet as of yet. And then we have other tasks like connecting Telegram, connecting Twitter, which you should of course complete and get the tokens required. Also do the daily bonus where you can get even more and more as the day goes by. Then once you go to home, you can basically see your interface with your damage, health, mining, which can get better as you upgrade, and also your rank. So the aim is to go up in the ranks. Then you can click on friends, and then you can share your link. There's a bonus for first tier, which is 15%, and for second tier, which is 8%, and the invite bonus is 50,000 of their tokens. So if you click on where the game is supposed to be, which is the middle that looks like a sniper target, it's going to load the game for you, which is actually what you need to do to earn more. Start is by clicking tap to leave the city, and there you see them talking about how to start. So if you just click, then of course you start to shoot. So you move in the direction that you see shots and try to exterminate them. So that's basically the whole way of playing this. So you use this direction that you have to change direction, and of course your strength goes off, and then you earn what you need to earn. So I'm not playing this a second time, that's in the game, but I'm just showing you how to do it. So that's about it for this game, in which you need to of course shoot down your enemies, complete the task, and even do daily where you can get millions of coin. So make sure to start and go up the rank. That's it. Let's wait for more updates on both of these projects. I'll see you in the next one. Till then.